This is not just nice camera for vlogging, but this is perfect tool for storytelling. Hi, my name is Tony. Welcome. I'm glad you are watching. Today we will talk about Osmo Pocket 3 and about different ways how to shoot with this little vehicle. I got this really long selfie stick that allows you to shoot yourself from all different directions. You can shoot yourself even from backwards, and so you can get that PC game point of view. I use this stick in different ways. I love those low shots, and with the stick you don't have to kneel or bend. It's effortless. If you add some motion to it, the shots look really dynamic and speedy. This camera is so tiny that you can put it anywhere where normal size cameras wouldn't fit. And so you can get those really different angles. You can be just so creative with this thing. I take it out for a walk almost every day with my dog, and I discover new ways of shooting with this camera almost every time. The best part about this is the app that you may connect it with. When I bought this, I wouldn't expect I would use it so much and in so many different ways. It allows you for controlling exposure values. That's fine. You can see the preview of the shot. That's perfect. Greatest advantage is that you can move the gimbal remotely. So it allows you to compose the shot from the scene, to frame it and reframe it if you need. You don't have to run to your camera, check it, recompose and run back. Well, this is so great for solo filmmakers like I am. You see the spot that you want to use, you put it on your tripod and you go into the scene, and then you may fine-tune the composition from the stage remotely. That's so cool. And the app also allows you for focusing, so you just tap on the screen for focus, or you may even start tracking from the app, and then the gimbal follows you and you get those dynamic shots. It's just up to you what you prefer. I use 4 accessories with the Pocket. One is the selfie stick / tripod. Second one is the extension adapter, and there is this GoPro magnetic clamp attached to it all the time. So when I hit the place that I would like to use for my shot and there is uneven surface, so I can't use the tripod, I use the clamp and I just attach it to root or branch, whatever. And the clamp is magnetic. So when you are recording and you need your hands free, you can just put it on the fridge and you don't have to stop recording. And this sticks to any metal surface and it holds really fast. So now I got my hands free and I can show you what kind of coffee we drink in the studio, which is cool. And the last accessory I got in my car on the front shield, and this is a suction cup from GoPro. And this is just useful when you have something to say and you are traveling, and it just adds nice variation into your footage. At this point, I'd like to encourage you to follow our channel. I'll be really happy if you do. It gives me energy and keeps me going. So I hope I'll see you next time. Bye bye.